What's good, Underground family? It's your boy Nugget back again with another video for you guys. And today we have the winner of the voting for the unboxing this week. And you guys chose this premium fiat abarth. So today we're going to be unboxing this for you guys so we can get a closer look. Let's get into it. It's such a nice card. I'm trying to save what I can on it. Oh, wow. Oh, that's some crazy detail. Wow. It's got the roll cage inside. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's got the hood scoop. And then the rally style headlights. Really cool. The appropriate time appropriate tires with the wide body flares. Looks like the four spoke old schools with stretch tire style. It's really cool, very appropriate. Little wing in the back. Super cool. Wow. Very exciting, man. So dope. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for this one. Until next time, happy hunting.